Fine, my wife not tell me say I fine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Becca, and how are you doing, guys? If you are new, Becca is a YouTuber based in Nigeria, and this is what we do over here. So guys, we are traveling. Like I'm traveling. I'm going to Ghana. Ghana has actually been on my mind since June. I was supposed to go there for my birthday in July, but I was unable to because my husband was busy. So just was like shift and keep shifting until November, and this is November, so we are going tomorrow. I'm really happy to go to Ghana. Like Ghana has actually been on my mind like since. I just want to like experience Ghana, like because I know Ghana is like okay then like some years back. I know Ghana is not as developed as Nigeria, but I've been hearing some news that Ghana is even far better than Nigeria. So I just want to go and see how Ghana is. I want to go and experience Ghana. So guys, but before then I got some stuffs and I want to like I've not packed. Guys, I'm traveling tomorrow and I've not packed. I just made my hair yesterday. I just fixed my nails today. I just made my hair today. What am I saying? I just made my hair today. So I got some stuffs and I want to like unbox it in your presence before the trip. The first thing is yes, so this is a gift from Dami. She sent this over and I was like, I'm going to do like a full unboxing of this thing. Seriously, the last time I used this lights when for our trip to Lagos. So it's a smartphone ring light, and we can see that. So here is it, and I think it's using battery. So I got this from ShopRite. I got this pair. I saw it in Food Co the last time I went to Food Co, and I was like, okay, fine, maybe I will try it out. I just like the package, and I was like, I got this thing. Seriously, it's so cute. I love it. It's girly talk candy. It's not bad. You smell it. It's not bad. So it has like can you smell it? It's nice. So I wanted to get scrub. I got this scrub. I needed body scrub. I was looking for one vitamin C something. I just got this. I pray it's nice, shall. I don't know how it smell. I will try to use it before I sleep. So that's all I got from. So I got this shade too. Telling my prep today, but I got this shade, and I think I love it. Like, oh my. Like, seriously, I think I'll be using more shades. Like, shades fits me, seriously. Anyway, so I got this. It's very cheap, but I'll not tell you the price. But this is not that expensive. It's like 5k, 4k, I think 4.5. I think 4.5, yes, 4.5ish. Right. So this one is 4.5. Guys, sorry, there's no light. This is Nigeria. They have to on the generator so that I can do my video in peace. I got this. I'm so excited to unbox this. Okay, this is his name Clyde. I don't know. Can you see the name? Yeah, I got this. So let me unbox this. Let me show you what it is. I've actually opened this before. Okay. So this is a jewelry. It's like a neck piece, and so the fact that it has my name on it, guys. Anything that has my name on it, I used to feel like I'm a celeb. Okay, it's over here. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see it. Let me come closer. I don't know why it's, but it has my name on it, like Thebeccahbrand. Yes. So I'm so happy because Jesus. God, I'm supposed to get one my Ankara today, and she like time has gone. Let me see if I can reach her. Guys, I just had to like stop my video. I just remembered that there are some clothes I need to pack for my trip, and they are not here yet. She said 8 tomorrow morning. I don't know. Hopefully I'll get it tomorrow by 8, as she said. So guys, so this is the jewelry, and I also have something else to show you guys. So I uploaded this picture, and I was like, okay, I said yes. And people are like saying congratulations. Like, so many people that are not even sure that I'm married yet. I don't know why. Do I look like somebody that is not married? I got this gift last year though. So I'm taking this out. I'm taking this on the trip also. It's a ring, and it's meant for the trip. So I'm taking this for the trip. It's so cute. Okay, that's that for now. My eyes are swollen. I'm tired. I'm stressed. I don't feel like doing anything again, but I have to go and wash this body. I'm dirty already. Okay, and I have to pack my clothes. I think I'll pack my clothes first before I wash this body, so that I can use I can use one stone to kill 2 birds. Hi guys, good morning guys. We are just waking up, and we have not packed. Like, we are yet to pack, so we are just going to rush and pack, guys. But seriously guys, so we have to like pack, hurry and pack. Okay, that's that for now. Baby's already packing, and me, I'm still doing video. But guys, that's all for now. So let's pack our clothes. I'm still expecting 2 clothes from my tailor. Like, seriously, I'm still expecting my clothes. But I like the way this sun is doing it here. It's cute. Everywhere is scattered. Okay. Yeah, you're fine.
I don't
You're
know
fine.
say I find my wife not tell me say I find you.
You're fine. You're fine.
Oh my God.
Guys, this neighborhood is so fine. Seriously, like, so many things has actually changed. Like, I can't even believe this is Nigeria. Like, seriously, I can't believe this is Nigeria. Everything here, like, the new airport is really fun. Like, extremely beautiful. Guys, so I'm about to go. I think I'm already late, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye. So this is what I'm wearing. Something very comfortable. Yeah.
Any articles stored for you to return when they're coming in the final packing completion.
Guys, we just arrived and guys, I'm really stressed, seriously. I have to like sleep now, so tomorrow I'll just do like a room tour for you to see. Well, this is how we are looking now. This is it. Okay. Is it the light that is okay? So this is how we are looking. I just have to like sleep and just get ready for tomorrow. I'll see you later. Let me just say good night. I don't know if I read my vlog here, but if this will be the end of my vlog, guys, stay tuned to see more videos from my trip to Ghana. Guys, thank you so much for your engagement. Thank you for your time. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know that I love you, right? Bye.